Hello everyone sa ating math lecture series. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay product and quotient rule of differentiation. We have the basic rules of differentiation. Meron akong ginawa na separate video. If you want to look at it, lalagay ko na lang yung link sa ating description. Magsimula muna tayo kay product rule of differentiation. Let U and V be functions of x. Kaya siya product rule kasi those functions of x, ang ginagawa natin, we are getting their products. We multiply u and v. Given y, at meron kang functions of x na minultiply mo, u and v, to get the derivative, this is the formula. dy over dx is equal to u, our first function, multiplied to the derivative of the second function, v, and then the operation is addition, tapos kokopyahin naman natin si pangalawa, which is v, tapos kukunin natin yung derivative nung ating una na u. To get the derivative, again, products ng u and v, to get their derivative, copy the first function multiplied to the derivative of the second function, and then plus, we copy the second function, kokopyahin lang natin, and then imumultiply natin sa derivative nung una. Parang salitan lang ginagawa. Okay? Another way para i-represent itong mga terms natin is this. There are other books na ginagamit tong ganitong notation. Y prime for dy over dx, and then v prime for derivative ni v with respect to x, u prime for derivative of u with respect to x. They are both the same, magkaiba lang sila ng notation. Now let us proceed in applying this product rule sa isang simpleng function. We have y is equal to x squared times x minus 1. Kukunin natin ang derivative, meron tayong x squared. This is our first function multiplied to our second function. Ang gagawin natin para mas makita natin yung gamit ng formula, we let u be equal to x squared. We let v, yung pangalawang term natin na x minus 1. And then, applying the product rule of differentiation, kukunin muna natin si u, si x squared, imumultiply natin sa derivative ni v na x minus 1. And then, yung pangalawang term natin na x minus 1, imumultiply natin sa derivative with respect to x ng u natin, which is x squared. Ganito ang magiging itsura niya. Copy the first times derivative of the second, and then plus, copy the second, x minus 1, times derivative of the first, x squared. That is how we apply product rule of differentiation. Itutuloy natin ang computation sa ating solve problem series. Okay? So that is the application of product rule of differentiation. Next, let us proceed with the quotient rule of differentiation. Kaya sa quotient, we divide our function of xu and function of xv. We let u and b be functions of x, and then to get their derivative, this is the formula. Medyo mas komplikado siya kumpara dun sa una, pero kaya rin naman siyang sauluhin. We have our dy over dx, derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to, yung nasa baba, low, times derivative nung nasa taas, and then subtraction minus, copy yung nasa taas na u, times derivative nung nasa baba na v. This is all over the square nung function na nasa baba. Another representation is also this way. Now, let us apply this formula on the simple equation. We have y is equal to 5 over 3x plus 4. We have to get the derivative with respect to x. Ang gagawin natin, same as last time, we let u be yung nasa taas, and then we let v yung nasa baba. Applying the quotient rule of differentiation. So we have our v, yung nasa baba, which is 3x plus 4 times derivative nung nasa taas, which is 5. Let me show you. Here, yung nasa baba, 3x plus 4, v, times derivative nung nasa taas, which is 5, minus, and then sundan natin si formula, u, yung nasa taas, which is 5, and then multiply to the derivative of v, yung nasa baba natin, which is 3x plus 4, all over, this is our v, and then kunin natin yung square. That is how we apply our quotient rule of differentiation. And then, again, let us continue this problem. The full solution will be shown in our solve problem series. So that is for the product and quotient rule of differentiation. See you on our solve problems for the full solution.